The inspiration around the album in year 3 was actually rooted in my first experience with Jordan Brand. The 3 was the first shoe that my mom ever brought me.
Shout out to the gifters. Shout out to you guys clicking on this little crazy video that you found on YouTube somehow. It's just time to go. Peace.
Yo, peace and love, family. Here we go again with another sneaker video, and this one is from L-Kicks. And L-Kicks, you guys are becoming one of my really good friends because you guys are just sending me stuff. This is kind of one of those pairs where they're like, hey, do you want these? Like, I know they're not the most special sneakers of the world, but I was like, yes. So I took them, and here we are. So peace and love to you guys, everybody watched and clicked on the video. I'm just going to kind of go through this. It's going to be a short one. I ain't going to make this long. I mean, it's just a white and blue low top dunk. And you see on the box right there, it said it had University Gold. And the midsole is sail. To me, it looks white, but it's sail, and that's cool because I like sail. So, but anyway, these retailed for $100 because the materials that they used to... Wait a minute, what is this? What is this? Oh, how nice. How nice. And that's funny because I'm actually supposed to be still giving away a pair of these in a size 9.5. I've been trying to give these away for like the past 2 or 3 months. It's gonna happen, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you follow me on Instagram for all the details about that giveaway. But I do like the little trinket you guys threw in there. That's pretty cool, L-Kicks. So let's go ahead and jump into the sneaker. It's white, it's blue. These are called the Nike Dunk Low Coast, and I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say they're probably called the Coast because of the coast, like water. I don't know. If I'm wrong, let me know, but I might be on the right track there. I didn't do a whole lot of research. I really do like the University Gold touches that they put on the sneaker. It makes it pop. I love the University Gold tips that they put on the laces, and this is just giving a leather test to see how the leather kind of conforms, what kind of leather it is. And as you can tell, they didn't use some high grade stuff. It's not terrible. But the low top dunks, especially the non-SB dunks, they've always been like this. Like, they've been like this since the early 80s, 90s. I mean, dudes used to play basketball. This used to be a high-tech sneaker to play basketball in, especially in the college scene. Oh, I love that. I love that University Gold touch. But, I mean, and the low top dunk is actually my favorite dunk. Oh, I love how those look under the black light. Like, what color? They need to make this colorway right here. What is it, like pink and like blue? That looks dope. And as you can tell, there isn't one stitching mark on here. There is no glue. There is nothing on these. So you know what that means. I mean, I even had to like check the box. Okay, there's some ink right there. But you're supposed to have that ink right there. That's part of the process. But these, though, they came out clean.
People are like the funniest when they drive by. I mean, I swear they think they're on camera, but the camera is facing towards me, so they're not on camera. But there's people. Everybody wants their 15 minutes of fame. But anyway, I didn't plan on coming down here, but I'm here, and that's just it is just what it is. L-Kicks. Thank you for the sneakers. I always love the sneakers for you guys. I know you guys kind of just tossed this one at me. You were like, hey, Colo, do you want these? And I was like, why not? I could wear these all day long. I've been actually wearing these shoes for about 9 hours. You see I had the sail lace in there. The sail lace wasn't doing it, plus the sail lace was actually kind of too big. Make sure you comment. I like the comments. The comments kind of help the video get circulated a little bit better. I love you guys. I'm out and I gotta go. Peace, love, and light. I'm still gonna do that giveaway. Don't trip. It's coming. This is one of the best murals in the city. Shout out to Optic Nerve. This one right here. You kind of can't see it. Hold on. Yeah, you can probably see it now. You probably can't see me, but you can see that mural. And I've done videos with that mural before. Super dope mural. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Yeah, there's no way I could have made like an 8 to 9 minute video out of this. And if it ends up being 8 to 9 minutes, I'm gonna be like, what? You know the last video I did with the waves and the water and all that? Check it out. I spent so much time doing that little stupid intro that didn't have anything to do with anything. I didn't even do the freaking previously from the episode before. So you probably didn't see that episode before. And if you did, cool. If you didn't, yeah, it's time to go. It's time to go. Too many crazies around here, man. Too many crazies, but I love it. I love it. a good shot. That was a good shot, but you gotta do what we gotta do, man. Peace, love, and light. Plenty of videos are on the way, and you know what I'm saying? I don't know what else to say, but just peace. One.